Yo, what is good? Got a daily recap today. Kind of messed with my emotions today just because I looked at the chart, but didn't take a loss, didn't take a win, just break even day just because of my emotions. So yeah, I got to work on that. So I took this is the setup I saw on GU. I also saw a really nice one on GJ, but I kind of like messed up with my emotions, like I said. So I was bullish on the 4 hour. He was also bullish on the 4 hour, so that was kind of nice. So coming in the market open, we had, I feel like I have too much. So we had news today at 6:30, unemployment claims at 6:30. So wasn't really worried about news, just was looking to trade after 6:30, not before. So we had London highs up here, London lows down here, Asian highs, and then Asian lows down there. So on the 5 minute, we opened above like the London low and immediately came down, took out the London low. This was the news candle and didn't really affect it that much. We did break structure here. However, I didn't enter off this because it pushed way past my ideal entry point and it messed up the risk reward. Because if I had entered like this entered off this would have been like not the best risk reward, so I wasn't willing to enter off of that. So I did wait. Price came down, took out the actual low, and then started making moves up. So since we were still in bullish structure, I was looking for a continuation on the 1 minute. And we came into this 1 minute fair value gap here, as well as weakening equilibrium. And I entered off of the 1 minute break of structure, got filled all the way up here. But then, so I was still on the charts because I was looking at a potential opportunity on GJ, and this kind of messed with my emotions. But I was thinking like once price gets to break even, I'll take off 0.25 just because I felt like it was a bit, I'll just take off 50% because I felt like this was a risky trade. I originally risked 0.5 and I just de-risked again because I didn't feel like this was like the best setup. And then, yeah, so that was that. And then after some time, I got back on the chart because I was being a dumbass. And then at this time, price was crashing on EU. This was this big drop here. No, I think it was this one here, and it just kept on going down. And I was scared like, yo, GBP USD might want to keep on going down too. So then I got into profit, and then I moved my stop loss to break even, and then I got stopped out of break even, and then it started moving up. Bro, like I'm actually freaking retarded, bro. If I just didn't look at the charts, I could have just trusted the process and let price hit my TP. That would have been all. I could have made bread off of that, but I didn't because I looked at the chart. So I'm pretty mad about that, honestly. I was just being a freaking weirdo. And yeah, so that was GBP USD. So then on EU, I didn't really see anything proper just because we had a huge gap here for the London low. 4 hour was bullish, similar to EU. I was kind of favoring to take EU just because we had tapped into this 1 hour for value gap, respected it perfectly, and it looked like a pretty nice opportunity to go long. So I was kind of favoring EU, but GU showed up everything, all the confluences properly. So yeah, it was a good setup. So yeah, we had London highs, London lows. Ideally was looking for a price to just come below here or something, or just come into this fair value gap. So that is what it did after. Price came in right at London lows, came down, tapped into this fair value gap, and then started moving higher, right? So at this point, this is where I was ideally going to enter off of, inversing this fair value gap here and breaking structure. But price, again, it pushed way past my ideal entry point, and my risk reward would have been like skewed, so I didn't enter off of that. Yeah, when I did enter off that, I saw price start moving up. I got feelings of missing out, but I didn't do anything. Yeah, just because I knew I was better than that. Didn't really see any potential entry points again. We did come into equilibrium, but we didn't get a 1 minute break of structure. Like that was like a decent risk reward, so I didn't really enter off of that. I mean, later we did come down here into equilibrium. Maybe could have entered off that, but still the risk reward would have been kind of like skewed, right? So didn't enter off anything on EU, and it didn't even hit take profit. So good thing I stayed away from this one. Like that was like what I was thinking with GBP USD, because I didn't know if GBP USD wanted to keep on going. And I mean, I don't have to know what's gonna happen, but I just like was a bit unsure, and I was a bit like feeling like this is unneeded risk. But then on GBP JPY, I saw a nice opportunity as well, but I didn't take this one because I was tweaking out about the GBP USD trade. So we were bullish, came into this fair value gap, filled it in pretty nicely. 1 hour was bullish, bearish, I'm pretty sure on this. No, we were bullish. So on the 30 minute here, we had London highs, London lows, Asian lows, and Asian highs. So originally I was thinking like, yo, this is not gonna, I don't think I'll be able to find an opportunity on GBP, JPY just because we were kept on rallying up to the London high. But we did not actually take the London high. We came all the way down, took out the actual, came down to like the actual kind of low here. We inversed this gap, broke structure, everything was nice, but at this time I was in the GBP USD trade and I was low-key stressing about it. So I was like, bro, if both of these turn into a losses, I think I'm gonna crash out. So I just sat out of this one. It was so, bro, I was so pissed when I saw price starting moving my direction, and like, bro, I would have hit like all TPs, would have had like TP probably right here or something, and it would have hit. That's like, bro, like, bro, I don't know, but yeah, that would have been a nice trade to take, but I missed it. 2 opportunities missed out on today just because of my freaking emotions. Yeah, so what could I have, so what are some emotions I felt? I felt FOMO when I originally saw EU moving up without me entering off the break of structure, but I felt pretty happy after I saw like price moving out. GBP USD, I felt fear because I saw price moving down to my stop loss. Like it was all the way down here at one point, and this was right after I entered too, so I was like kind of tweaking out. But yeah, I got a bit scared when I saw prices start moving down. Probably should not have looked at the charts because of that. I mean, I was still looking at the charts because I was trying to like get break even on the trade, but I mean like get 50% off a break even, but I should have just left it, not touched anything, and it would have hit TP. And yeah, so that was an emotion there. After the fact I saw it, I felt FOMO as well. I was getting pissed, but you know, I just tried to maintain my emotions. But I did like, I'm not gonna talk about it here, but yeah, I messed up with my brain, did some dumb shit, and then yeah, so what can I do to improve? So let me think. So okay, okay, if there's something about a setup I do not like, I should just like forget about it, honestly, and just look at G, like, because I already saw the setup coming, right? Because we had inverse fair value gap and then a high formed here, so I already had the setup in mind, and before I took that, I looked at GBP USD and entered off of that. So instead of, if I already have a decent setup forming, and then I also have like a setup here, but like that's really unsure about, I should just scrap that and focus on the higher quality setup. That will prevent me from juggling between two and like mixing up with my emotions, because I feel like that would have prevented me from not taking this trade. Number 2, what could I improve? Freaking don't look at the charts, bro. I don't know how many times I have to tell this, but yo, I swear, like, well, I had the MetaTrader up on my phone, and I went on my phone for a second, like the thing about opened into the MetaTrader app. So yeah, I'm just making excuses, but yeah, I just can't look at the charts. I have to just close the entire thing, just not look at it. Yesterday I had the discipline to do that. Today I was just a bit scared of the trade. I wanted to know what was happening, so yeah, I got mad about that. So that's something I need to work on. Yeah, so right now I'm like low-key feeling scared about trading tomorrow because I feel like I might force something that I don't see. But I think if I just clear my mind, you'll just reset, bro. Like bro, it pains me seeing this like these setups, bro. Like these are just setups I got gone to waste, and I could have capitalized on it, but I was just being emotional and being a little freaking fricktard. And now what I'm thinking, like, yo, I might be I feel like I might be too scared to trade tomorrow because I'm scared of losing the money that I made from the previous days. And that's kind of what caused me to get out of this trade. Once I saw price going into my stop loss, I was like, yo, if I lose this trade, then I'm going to be only up 0.5%. Or if I lose both of these trades, then I'll be at net zero for the day. And I was like kind of getting worried about that. And I think that caused me to get a bit emotional about this trade. So things to work on. Don't like just trust in trust in my thing, bro. Like if I see it, just take it. But if I don't see something I like, just don't freaking take it, bro. So yeah, just don't look at the freaking charts and like trust that I know what I'm doing. Like trust that I see what I see and be focused when I'm doing it, bro. Like yeah, that's it, I think. But yeah, so tomorrow is a European bank holiday, so probably won't be trading euro. It'll just be GBP JPY and GBP USD. Also, one more thing, yo, is like, yo, cause like, yo, I swear when GBP JPY moves down, GBP or Euro USD moves up. And I was kind of tweeting, you can see like when you move down here, were we moving down here as well? Okay, well we were moving, but I swear like this other day, see that's like the association thing, bro. I don't know, but when I saw GBP JPY going up, Euro USD was going down, and if I was thinking that Euro USD was going to go up, then I was thinking that Euro USD GBP JPY might just want to go down. So then that was like another thing that was on my mind on not taking the trade. But I just gotta I just gotta stick to like the things that I know work, bro. Like what am I looking for? I'm looking for the London low to get a thing, like a low to get interacted with, a high to get interacted, and then I enter, bro, and a break the structure, and then I enter, bro. If I was just focusing on that, I would have been fine. But I was like thinking like all this dumb stuff in my mind, so that's what kind of caused me to mess up. So yeah, things to always learn. Am I mad? Yeah, a bit, but I'll just have to see what happens tomorrow. Tomorrow I just gotta clear my mind. I feel like, bro, it's like I feel like I'm like acting like I lost everything, but I didn't even lose anything today. It's just I lost my kind of like trust in myself. So I just gotta build that trust back with myself, and then go into the next day, because there will be more opportunities in the market. Opportunities will be missed. I can't expect myself to take every single opportunity, right? So just gotta remember to just, if I see multiple opportunities, focus on one. Don't focus on two at the same time, otherwise it'll mess up my mental. Bro, I swear, I was literally talking about this the other day, bro. I was like, bro, I swear it takes me so long to learn from my mistake. That's why it's taking me so long. I don't know. Anyway, that's all. Goodbye.